In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unlink your EA account on Steam. If you find yourself needing to separate these accounts, either for privacy concerns or simply to tidy up unused connections, you're in the right place. Our guide today will help you complete this process quickly and efficiently. Let's dive in. First, you're going to want to head over to the Electronic Arts website. You can do this by opening up your preferred web browser and navigating to the EA Account Management page. This is your central hub for managing all things related to your EA account. Once there, the next step is logging in. Use your EA account credentials. This will be the email and password you originally set up with EA. If you've forgotten your password, you can follow the prompts to reset it. Just ensure you have access to the email associated with your account. After successfully logging in, you'll want to click on your account profile. You'll typically find this option by looking in the top right corner of the page, where there might be an icon or your account name. Clicking here will present you with a drop-down menu or a new page with your account settings. Now, navigate to the section labeled Connected Accounts. This area is crucial because it lists all the external accounts linked to your EA account. Here's where you need to identify the Steam account that's currently linked. Once you've found it, prepare to initiate the unlinking process by clicking on the Unlink button next to the Steam account information. At this point, EA will ask you to confirm your decision. This is an essential step to prevent any accidental disconnections. A prompt will appear, and you'll need to check the I understand checkbox. This confirms that you acknowledge any potential impacts of unlinking, such as the loss of game progress or related data. Once checked, go ahead and click the Unlink button. This action will detach your Steam account from your EA account. But we're not quite finished. For security purposes, EA requires email verification for such changes. You'll receive a verification code sent directly to the email linked to your EA account. Keep an eye on your inbox and spam folder, just to be safe. When the email arrives, open it. Take note of the verification code and return to the EA account page. Enter the verification code in the designated field to authenticate your action. Finally, hit the Submit button to complete the process. And that's it. You've successfully unlinked your EA account from Steam. Remember, should you reconsider, you can always go through a similar process to relink. This guide ensures you maintain control over your account connections with confidence and ease. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.